Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: the SBI General Group Policy Number, your employee ID, and a copy of the policy. Once done, ask HR for a formal termination certificate or employer authorization. Group PA cancellations nearly always require employer initiation. Next, prepare ID proof and bank details for any premium refund. Make sure documents are clear and signed. Then inform HR and request they initiate cancellation with SBI General immediately, because insurer action typically follows, and once HR files the request, ensure they include the signed cancellation form, your termination certificate, and a copy of the policy page showing your cover. Also attach your ID proof and bank details for any refund processing. Ask HR to request an acknowledgement from SBI General and record the complaint or reference ID, the contact person, and the expected timeline. Make sure to confirm whether any premium adjustments apply, because pro rata refunds or dues must be settled before final endorsement is issued. You finish by verifying SBI General issues a cancellation endorsement and that the member is removed from the group schedule. Obtain a written confirmation. Then monitor your bank for any refund. Timelines vary, so keep transaction receipts and the insurer acknowledgement handy. If you don't see closure within the expected period, escalate using the grievance reference ID and involve HR. Persistence matters. As a troubleshooting tip, document every call and email. This record makes escalation faster and resolves discrepancies more reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.